Here in this problem, finding area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Name them as A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, C 2, minus 4. Let A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 2, minus 4 or the three vertices of a triangle ABC. So therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. It is 1 by 2 modulus of x1 2 into y2 0 minus y3 minus 4 plus x2 minus 1 y3 minus 4 minus y1 3 plus x3 2 y1 3 minus y2 0, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 4. 2 into 4 8. Here it is minus 7. Minus 1 into minus 7, it is plus 7. 2 into 3, it is 6. So 8 plus 7, 15 plus 6, 21 by 2 square unit or 10.5 square units. So the area of triangle ABC is 21 by 2 square units or 10.5 square units. In the same way, we can find area of quadrilateral also by dividing with the help of diagonal. Here, find the value of k for which the points 7, minus 2, 5, 1 and 3, k are collinear. In our previous classes, already we have learnt about collinearity of points. Here, collinearity of 3 points. What is meant by collinear? 2 or more points lying on the same line are called collinear points. If A, B, C are 3 points, if they are lying on the same line, then we can say that they are collinear points. If they are on the same line means it is impossible to construct a triangle with these 3 points, isn't it? Here, see that these 3 are collinear, meaning lying on the same line. How can we find its area as a triangle area? It is impossible. Meaning, if the 3 points are not collinear. That means AB only on the same line, BC on the same line, AC on the same line. No 3 points are collinear. So it can form a triangle. If it's then it has some area. So it has some area. If no area, meaning 3 points are collinear. No area meaning is area of triangle is 0. So if we prove by these 3, it's area 0, then we can say that given points are collinear. For that, first we are going to assume that the given 3 points are vertices of a triangle. Let A 7, -2, B 5, 1 and C 3, K are 3 vertices of a triangle. They said they are collinear. We are not proving that they are collinear. They said already they are collinear. So that I am taking, therefore, area of triangle ABC is 0. Understood this concept? If no area, that it is the area of triangle ABC is 0. No area means they are collinear. That means they are lying on the same line. If they have some area, they can form a triangle. So now area of this triangle ABC is half x1 modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So that 1 by 2 into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 7 y2 1 minus y3 k plus x2 5 y3 k minus y1 minus 2. So minus of minus 2 plus x3 3 y1 minus 2 minus y2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is, take this 1 by 2 to that side, it becomes 0. Now it is 7 into 1, 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus of minus plus 2. So it is 5 2s are 10 plus 3 into minus 3. It is minus 9 is equal to 0. Now minus 7k plus 5k, it is minus 2k plus 7 plus 10 17 minus 9, it is 8 is equal to 0. Minus 2k is equal to minus 8 k is equal to minus 8 by minus 2. K is equal to 4. So, they said given points are collinear. Collinear meaning is area is 0. So, assume that its area equal to 0. So, now minus 2k is plus 8 equal to 0. K is 4. So, this is the next model by using this formula, and finally we have quadrilateral that you can do by dividing with the help of diagonal. Divide a quadrilateral into two triangles and find their areas individually, and finally add the area of two triangles, then you can get area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are A 0 comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1, C 0 comma 3. Find the ratio of this area to the given triangle. Here midpoints of the sides of, take this midpoint of AB as P, BC as Q and AC as R. By joining these three midpoints, we can get another triangle. It is PQR. In this PQR, assume that P as x1, y1, Q x2, y2, R x3, y3. Now, first we have to find it out the midpoint of AB, BC and AC. So, first write that let A, B and C are the three vertices of a triangle. And P, Q and R be the vertices of, midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. So that first we should find the midpoint of AB, BC, CA. So what is the midpoint formula? It is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now, midpoint of AB is equal to, P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It is in AB x1 y1 x2 y2, 0 plus 2 by 2 and y1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. It is 2 by 2, 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 by 2 0. So P point is 1 comma 0. Next, coming to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC is equal to Q is equal to, what is B? 2 comma 1, C 0 comma 3, x1 y1 x2 y2, 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. It is 2 by 2 1, 2 ones are 4 by 2, 2 ones 2 twos, 1 comma 2. So midpoint of P is 1 comma 0. AB is P 1 comma 0. Midpoint of BC Q 1 comma 2. Next. Midpoint of AC or CA is R. What is A? 0 comma minus 1. What is C? 0 comma 3. x1 y1 x2 y2. 0 plus 0 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. It is 0 by 2 is 0, 2 by 2 is 1. Now the three vertices are P 1 comma 0, Q 1 comma 2 or 0 comma 1. Here area of triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC we need to find now. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, x1 0 y2 1 minus y3 3 plus x2 2 y3 3 minus y1 minus 1. Here A 0 comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1, C 0 comma 3. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Now y3 minus y1, y1 is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus y2 is 1. It is 1 by 2 modulus of 0 into something 0. 2 into 3 minus of minus 1. It is 3 plus 1. 4. 2 into 4 plus it is 0 into something. So it is 2 4s are 8 by 2. 4 square units. It is the area of triangle ABC. Now again we are going to find area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Here in this PQR, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. It is 1 by 2 modulus of x1 1 into y2 minus 2 minus 1 plus x2 1 into y3 1 minus y1 0 plus x3 0 into y1 0 minus y2. It is 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 into 1 minus 0 1 1 plus 0 into minus 2 0. So it is 2 by 2. 1 plus 1 2 by 2. It is 1 square unit. Now in question they asked that find the ratio of PQR and ABC. So ratio of areas of triangle PQR and triangle ABC is equal to area of PQR is 1 and area of ABC is 4. So their areas ratio is 1:4. If they ask you area of given triangle to the triangle means then 4:1. In what way they are asked, in that way we should show this ratio. Okay, 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, D 4 comma 5 or the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Here in this quadrilateral ABCD, A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, D 4 comma 5 are the 4 vertices of this quadrilateral. Now by joining these two vertices we can get two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. So now area of triangle ABD is equal to half area of triangle ABD half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. It is A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, D 4 comma 5, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. It is 1 by 2 x1 minus 5 y2 minus 4 minus y3 5 plus x2 minus 4 y3 5 minus y1 7 plus x3 4 y1 7 minus of minus 5. It is 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 9. It is plus 45. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. Minus half minus plus 12. 12 fours are 48. Now it is 1 by 2 modulus of x1 minus 5 y2 minus 5 minus y3 minus 5 plus x2 minus 4 y3 5 minus y1 7 plus x3 4 y1 7 minus y2 minus of minus 5, that is equal to half. It is minus 10 minus 5 plus 50 minus 2 minus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 4 plus 48. Now it is 158 plus 48. 106 by 2. It is 53 square units. Area of triangle ACD is equal to half modulus of x1 BCD, BCD, x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 y1 minus y2. It is 1 by 2 x1 B minus 4 minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6, D 4 5, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. It is x1 minus 4 into y2 minus 6 minus y3 5 plus x2 minus 1 into y3 5 minus y1 minus of minus 5 plus x3 4 y1 minus 5 minus y2 minus of minus 6. It is 1 by 2 minus 11 into 4 minus 4 plus 44 minus of minus plus 5, 10 into minus 1 minus 10 plus minus of minus plus 6 minus 5 plus 1 into 4 4. It is 44 minus 10, it is 34 plus 4 38 by 2. It is 19 square units. Now, area of ABCD quadrilateral is equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. It is area of ABD is 53 square units and area of BCD is 19 units, square units. By adding these two, we can get 72 square units. Okay. In this way, we can find area of quadrilateral by dividing that quadrilateral into two triangles, by finding each area triangle individually, and then by adding the two areas we can get area of quadrilateral.